Google Analytics calculates certain metrics for you. These are called standard metrics. And if those metrics don't meet your needs, you can also create custom metrics by going into the admin panel and creating the metrics there. And these are the metrics that you can pass to Google Analytics via custom metrics implementation. I'm not going to go through custom metrics implementation in this video. That's covered in a different video. In this video, I will talk about calculated metrics, which are created by performing mathematical calculations. But before I show you how it's done, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So if you're ready, let's dive in. Go to Google Analytics. In Google Analytics, click on Admin. Calculated metrics is at the view level. So scroll down on the view and click on Calculated Metrics. This is where you can create your calculated metrics. So click on New Calculated Metric. You have to provide a name for your calculated metrics. This name is the one you will see in your reports. Then you have to provide a name that will be used behind the scenes. Once this name is set, this cannot be changed. This name will be used by your APIs if you are using any APIs. And then you have to pick the formatting type. You have few options. So you pick the one that makes sense for you, and then you write your formula. So let's go ahead and create a custom metric. Remember, we did 50% video complete, and then we showed sessions and users in a custom report. We are going to add a calculated metric that will show you the 50% video complete as a percent of the sessions. Let's go ahead and create that metric. I'm calling it over 50% video complete because 50% is the mark that we're using, and anything above is captured in that. And then this is automatically populated for you. You can change it if you would like. Then you pick your type. I'm going to do it as a percent. So let's keep it percent. And then you type your formula. As you will type, you will see the metrics will pop up that you can use for your formula. So let's go ahead and type video. Here's your video 50% complete. And to do a division, simple mathematical division, and then we divide it by session. You can also do users or whatever makes sense for you. But this is what I'm going to use for this formula. And then you click create. This is all you need to do. Now your calculated metric is ready. Let's go back to the custom report. So click on customization, custom report. Let's edit this report. Go to action, edit. In this report, now we are going to add the newly created metric. So click on add metric and then type in video. So here is over 50% video complete. That's the metric we just created, not the custom one. This is the calculated one. So click on it and now it's added. Go ahead and save it. And now here is your report. There were 3 videos that were 50% or over complete out of 7 sessions. That equals to 42.86% of the videos that were completed 50% or more. That is our calculated metric. You can use any of the standard metrics provided by Google Analytics or your custom metrics to create your calculated metrics. Go ahead and practice. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Before you leave, make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button on this channel, and also press the bell icon so you never miss any notifications about new videos from me. Go ahead and browse through other videos because there is tons of information available in these videos. If you want to learn Google Analytics and master it step by step or other digital analytics tools and processes, then make sure to check out Optizent Academy. The URL for free resources on Optizent Academy is available in the description of this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.